Hello, my name is Catherine Guadalupe Vasquez, and today I'm going to talk about the topic that it was the most important for me. Well, this topic it was the that I like it the most that I like it. And it is ordinary people with big ideas, practical strategy to protect the earth. I think that this topic is important for all people, or it should be important because the life of the air is depends of our care. Well, I'm going to talk about two inspiring stories, and the first is about David Miller. It was the first time that I saw him, and I read about him, and wow, it's amazing the things that he's doing for to change the damage of the earth, the damage that we are we are causing. Well, David Miller with Leslie Lee, co-founders, the twin called Archangel's Ascent Leadership. So they they are trying to reverse the global warming one tree at a time. So we know that the technology is improving, so he he told us how he can use the develop the technology for to change the damage of the earth. So he start with the idea to do exact copies of the Asian trees because we know that the Asian trees are the most important for the earth. Well, all plants and trees are important, but Asian trees that there are 1,000 years or 100 years. They are important because they can clean the air, they can clean the water, they can clean the the earth. Uh, so he start with this idea. Experts of the topic um, told him that this idea it couldn't possible, but he didn't accept this, and he start to with experiments with studies, and at the end he could achieve to to clone trees. So David Miller with his sons take take a parts of the trees that there are more that there are Asians, and uh, they are cloning those trees. Now he has a factory of this, and this idea is the best, I think, and all people can be take the governments can be take to the governments can start to plant ancient trees that because the ancient trees are important. When people ask him how how he wants to remember, he says he caused us to stop and think and take actions. And yes, we have to start to take actions for the damage that the air has. And now I'm going to talk about Tuisere Baitana, an important person because he protect the elephants. Because in Cambodia, people Cambodians people kill elephants because the elephants destroy their crops. So Twitter Baitana saw this and he started to think how he can change this. Eh, and and he start with ideas and he achieved this and he start to talk with the farmers and say and told them that they they could plant plants that there are unpleasant for elephants and also the farmers they could go to their crops and with improve and to put off torches to scare away the elephants because the elephants all the animals have an important role in the air but the elephants eh, have have an important role because they when they walk they left holes in the air so those all holes are used for other animals for to drink water and now he he's known as the uncle elephants because he protects the elephants. And now I'm going to talk about ways to protect the environment. And we can start with plants tree. Plants a tree. Also, because this is important that we start that it's important we should start to plant a tree and we should start to reduce the use of plastic. We can use a reusable a bag when we go to the market and it's important that we we conserve the water. We should use less water uh, when we take a shower and when we wash the clothes when we brush our teeth and also it is important well that we start to educate the people the with all these ways it we have to educate the people for caring the air because if we we will live the consequence of our acts that and this is all and thank you.